So in this video I am going to discuss how to find the HCF of the two numbers 135 and 360. I will explain two methods. One is prime factorization method and the other is division method. So method 1, prime factorization method. So we will prime factorize the given two numbers 135 and 360. So prime factorization, you have to start with prime number 2 if the number given is divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2, then you can start with 3 and so on. So here we can see this number 135 is divisible by 3. So we can start with 3. 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 5s are 15. Now you again divide it by 3 because this number is divisible by 3. So 3 and 15, 45. Again 3 and 5. So our prime factors here are 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 for 135. We have these numbers. Similarly, we will check the prime factor for 360. Now this number is divisible by 2, so we can start with 2, 180. If you divide 360 by 2, you get 180, then again divide by 2. As long as it is divisible by 2, we will keep dividing by 2. So again 90 you are getting, which is again divisible by 2, 45. Now 45 is not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by, not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. So 3, 15, 45, again 3, 5 are 15. So we have 360 equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Now in order to find the highest common factor HCF, we have to find the prime factors that are common to both. We can see there is 1 3 here and 1 3 here. So we will write common factors. We will write 3. Again we have 3 here and 3 here. So we will write 3, and we have 1 3 here, but there is no 3. So we will not write the next 3, but we have 5 here and 5 here. So we will write 5. So answer would be 3 times 3 times 5, which is 45. We have found the HCF using factorization method, and the answer we got is 45. We haven't taken here any 2 because 2, we have factor 2 in this 360 only, but not in the above. Remember that we have to write down only the common factors in both the cases. Now the second method for finding HCF is division method. In this case, we divide the greater number by a smaller number. So here we have a smaller number 135 and greater number 360. And just follow my steps. I don't know if you have been taught this method, but this is very easy and fast method as well. 135 times 2 will be 270. But when we take 135 times 3, it will be 300 and 105, 405. So it is more than this. So we will take 270. 270 and 360, if you subtract, you will get 70 and 70, 100, you will get 90. Now we will again divide this 135 by 90, and we have 90 times 1, is 90. You can't go 90 times 2 because that is 180, which is more than 135. So if you subtract 5 and 13 minus 9 is 4. Now you write this 45 like this and write this 90 here, and you get 45 times 2 is 90. So merely in 2 steps you got the answer. Here the last divisor, which gives you the result 0 here, is 45. That is why that 45 is the answer to this question. Hope my explanation was clear. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.